What if we told you that a few drops of nature's magic could refresh your mind, heal your body, and boost your energy? Presenting Oilcure Nxtgen Ayurveda Lemongrass Essential Oil, pure, powerful, and packed with nature's goodness. Before diving deeper, let's first understand what lemongrass essential oil is. Lemongrass is a tall, aromatic plant from the Poaceae grass family. Its light citrusy scent is both refreshing and therapeutic. The oil is extracted through the process of steam distillation from the long-dried leaves of this wonderful lemongrass. Oilcure Lemongrass Essential Oil is packed with magnesium, zinc, iron, calcium and vitamins C, B1, B3, B6, making it a powerhouse for health and wellness. Let's dive into its top benefits. Lemongrass essential oil is known to have the potential to lower body temperature and help fight infections. Soothes joint, muscle, and back pain. Helps reduce anxiety and promotes deep, restful sleep. Great for aromatherapy. Fights dandruff, strengthens roots, and adds shine. Keeps bugs away naturally. How to use? For massage, mix 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass oil with 1 tablespoon of a base oil. Face oil, mix 2 drops with 1 teaspoon of a base oil and gently massage onto the face and neck in a circular motion before bed. For bath, add a few drops of oil to a warm bath. Burner or diffuser, add a few drops to the water in the burner or diffuser for a refreshing aroma. Caution! Do not apply the oil directly on skin without diluting it with a carrier oil. Why choose Oilcure Nxtgen Ayurveda? At Oilcure Nxtgen Ayurveda, we bring you 100% pure, chemical-free, and ethically sourced essential oils. No additives, no artificial fragrance, just nature's finest, bottled for you. Then why wait? Order this magic oil right away. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.